Today, we are going to be talking about affiliate marketing. We are going to be breaking it down how you can actually earn money from affiliate marketing, what are the things which you need to do, and how you can easily grow your income with affiliate marketing. So, my name is Akere Ebonluwa. If you are new to this channel, you would like to watch some of my previous video because I have been talking about how you can actually make money online. Like I said today, we're actually talking about affiliate marketing, and we are going to be breaking it into three. We are going to be breaking it into getting started, strategy, and any. Getting started, strategy, and any. So the first thing we are going to be talking about is getting started. So for you who doesn't know what affiliate marketing is, so I'm just going to explain it. Affiliate marketing simply means you promoting a product for a seller, and then this seller gives you a commission for what you've promoted. So let's say there's a product of 500 euros or 500 zloty, whatever currency, or $500. And then this seller, you will be promoting this particular product for the seller. So let's say the seller is selling it for 500, like I said, and you are going to be getting maybe 5% or 10% of how much this seller actually made. Take, for example, you have a shirt, or you or I'm a producer and I have a shirt, and then I want to take out this shirt or gadget or whatever, and I come to you, or I make a link available for you to promote the product, and then I pay you for how many sales you are able to make. So that is what affiliate marketing is. So how do you get started with affiliate marketing? You can actually get started using ClickBanks. You can also use um Amazon affiliates. Yeah, these are the two. Where there are other ones, you can also go on Google to search for affiliate marketing, and you will see a lot of websites. But I know of ClickBank and also Amazon affiliates, and these are the ones that people have actually been using, and they are good testimony about this particular one. So let's jump to the part two of this particular video, which is your strategy. So what kind of strategies do you need to put for you to actually start with affiliate marketing? The first thing which you need to know is you need to identify your niche. Yes, identifying your niche is actually key for you to actually being able to promote that product and actually earning from that particular product. So how do you identify your niche? Your niche is your area of strength. Your area of strength. So if you are into let's say sportswears, or if you love sports, or if you love workout or something like that, then this is your area of niche. This is what you have interest in, and this is what you can actually promote to people, and you can actually speak a lot about it, and people can actually buy this product. So your niche can be cooking, it can be gym, it can also be gadgets, or it can also be anything which you actually love doing. So this can actually be your niche. So when you've known your niche, when you've identified your niche, then it will be easy for you to actually get affiliates based on this niche, and then you can start selling. So if you get a niche which is come to cooking, so let's say you're into this niche of cooking, you like anything that has to do with cooking, so you get on Amazon, maybe you see pots, anything that has to do with kitchen utensils and everything. And then you want to promote this product for Amazon. And then you started getting this product from Amazon. And then you can create a platform for yourself on how you can actually make money from this. So this strategy is you identify your niche, which we've talked about. After you've identified your niche, and then you go to the platform where you are going to get products based on this your niche, and then you are going to be promoting this particular product. So like I said, Amazon, for example, you get the product from Amazon, and then you have to create your own platform where you are going to be selling this product. So what platform can you use? You might want to ask me, what platform can you use? How can I then sell this product? How can I then sell this product? So let's say you already get this link from Amazon to promote these utensils. I'm using cooking, for example, now these utensils. Now you have to create a platform, and your platform which you can actually use can even just be your social media platform. You can use your Twitter, X. You can use your Instagram. You can also use your Facebook. You can use your WhatsApp status, and you can use any other platform which you can which you can actually get out there. So let's say, for example, I get something from Amazon. The first thing I'm going to do is I will get the link. Once I get the link, I need to create a description. And you creating the description, you can actually, you don't need to stress yourself. This is 2025. You can actually use some of this AI platform using Gemini, using Copilot, using DeepSeek, and other free ones out there, even Chat GPT. Yeah, you can use them to compose and even get a description about this particular product. And then what you need to do is also get the pictures from this particular product. So let's say I'm posting on X, for example. I'm posting for someone to buy a football boot. Maybe that is what I want to sell. Yeah. And I'm getting percentage for this one. And I'm going to get a picture for this football boots, and I'm going to get videos also. And I will then go to Gemini to create a description about football boots and why people need to get the right football boots. So once I get this description and Gemini already do this for me, then I'm going to take this description and I'm then going to put it on X, and at the end I'm then going to lead people to this particular link. You get the strategy. I'm then going to lead people to this particular link, and after putting this trend on X, and then I'll be like, if you want to get this particular boot or something, after I've given them something interesting, something that actually interests them, yeah, and then I'm going to put this link. So once they click this link, because click at this link is the key here. Once they click this link and then they make the purchase, and that is where my income and that is where my own commission comes in. So let's go to the last one, which is called earning. How much can you actually earn from affiliate marketing? I believe you can earn up to $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 in a month from affiliate marketing. But there's a but to this. This is if you are actually good enough. Of course, it's going to take you some work. It's not like you're just going to like take link and just post them and then you sleep and you post them maybe once in a week or once in a day or something, and then you just forget about it. No, you have to be strategic about it. You have to be able to lead people to this link every particular day. You have to take it like, okay, this is my job and I actually need to put this out to people. You need to be able to post it on your WhatsApp status. You need to be able to, it's like you're selling a product. It's like you have your own company, but it's not your company. You are actually doing this for somebody else. So it's like a company, but it's not. Okay. It's like a company, but it's not your company. It's like a company, not your product, but you are actually selling product for you to get your own commission. So if you are able to sell as many products as possible, it depends. Or if you go on ClickBank, for example, they will basically show you how much you are going to be earning once you go on ClickBank. Maybe I'm going to be putting the link to ClickBank in the description for you to see for yourself. Once you go on ClickBank, they are actually showing you how much you are earning from this product, from this affiliate. Even before you get started, they will show you how much you are even going to be earning. So once you are able to know this, then you can actually calculate how much you are going to be earning in a month. But like I said, you have to put your own efforts, because you have to promote this link, and once you promote this link, once people buy from this link, this is where your own money comes from. So don't forget, you need to choose a favorable niche, the niche which you know that you can actually promote to people, and people are even going to buy your idea, and we made them even click and buy. And then you have to be strategic about it. Put in the work of sharing this thing. Go use all this free tool, ChatGPT, Gemini, to generate good description, good text about this product, and then post the link, and then you can earn as much as 1,000, 2,000, or 3,000 in a month. So this is everything I just want to bring to you today. As you know, I am Akere Ebunoluwa. Before I end this video, I want you to click on the like and the subscribe button, because you don't want to miss the next video, as I will always drop interesting video on how you can actually earn online. So go ahead and smash the subscribe button. The goal is to get to 12,000 subscribers before May. So please do me a favor, smash the subscribe button and like this video, and of course come back for more, which is going to be next weekend. My name is Akere Ebunoluwa once again, until I catch you the next one. Bye for now and stay cool.